Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today we are at the Heskey Park boat ramp on Lake Winnipesaukee in the town of Meredith, New Hampshire. This ramp is the hardest of any on the lake and probably the worst ramp I've seen anywhere. Alright, first up we have a large Suburban with a medium-sized trailer and a Stingray boat. He's doing fine. There's just not much room to maneuver on this ramp. As soon as you start to turn, the front of the truck will go toward the rocks on the opposite side. He had to make a couple swings, but that's pretty much what everyone does here at this ramp, so it was really just a standard launch. This guy looks to start off with a really good angle. Oh yeah, he got it in just one swing. This is a pretty small car. I think it's a Honda CR-V. They did a great job and got that in one swing. This guy's taking the easy way and just pulling out into the street. Oh, I see why he did it. There's a sailboat in the pull-out rigging up and he couldn't go in there. Alright, looks like we got a dock coming in. I'm gonna give them a 10. They both did that with their sneakers on. Wow, this is a really long truck and trailer. He's doing good though, just has to make a few swings. He ended up pulling up toward the street, but I give him credit for not doing that from the beginning and actually going into the turnout. This boat is named Gypsy and it's a 1947 48-foot Shane trimmer ship. It was built in Seattle, Washington, and I only know about it because a viewer reached out and said that he used to own it and said he sold it to somebody who lives on Lake Winnipesaukee. It was funny because we rented some wave runners last year and saw it out on the water and didn't even know anything about it, but thought it was really cool. And this year, one time when we were launching our boats in Meredith, we saw it on the dock. We went over to the owner and spoke to him for a few minutes, and he was super, super nice. Here's another one of those antique century boats. This family is retrieving a beautiful Chris Craft. Nope, you definitely don't want to lose your earbuds. I totally get why they're being so careful. We had a bass boat a few years back and I drifted over one of the guides on the trailer and it took a chunk out of the side of it. So this is a beautiful boat. You don't want to risk hurting it.
Do I have like a lot of room over there?
And that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.